Hi everyone, this is unboxing for the Apple wireless keyboard. Got this from eBay as I wasn't willing to pay £50 for a brand new one. I got this for £30. I think it's used as well. The reason why I got this is because A, it's wireless, B, it's got a good design, and C, it's pretty, compact. I think, although I think it's really highly expensive compared to the other Logitech and Microsoft ones, uh, it's fairly good, but I wasn't willing to spend £50 on a keyboard. Also, I've just, as you've seen from my other videos, I've bought a new MacBook. Um, I'm not too keen on using the keyboard buttons on that because they get greasy, and I've also got a new Dell 24-inch HD TV. So I thought I'd get one of these, instead of using my MacBook all the time. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Oops. There we go. Here's a note. I think that's the receipt from the eBay user. It's actually not bad. It's actually not a bad price. I think it's a refurbished one because he was selling quite a lot of them. Yep. The only thing that's not got is batteries. Batteries with the keyboard. Actually, the keyboard was 24 pounds or something like that. By the time he added the postage and everything on, it was £7 extra, which was a rip-off. £7 for postage, that's a rip-off. I don't think it even cost him, £3 to post this. But then again, I don't really blame the seller. I blame eBay because the high cost and stuff. eBay take quite a lot from sellers. I used to be a seller as well, and they really do, take quite a big stake in your profits. So I just suppose the guy's trying to cover his back. Okay. Well, I actually don't think this keyboard's been used before. It's pretty, pretty sleek. There's no marks. I can't see any marks. No scratches or anything. Wow, that's nice. For £30 you can't go bad, eh? It's really compact. Oh, here's the book as well. Guys, this definitely isn't used. I mean, look at that. Look at the quality. Look at the condition this came in. I think it was just refurbished, as in someone bought it, didn't like it, or didn't, it was a present or something, and just took it back and got a refund. Yep, the only thing that's not got is batteries. It's got everything else. Well, keep watching. I'll put the review up just after this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Hi everyone, this is my review for the Apple wireless keyboard. I've had about 14 to 15 hours with it, and I can say it's absolutely fantastic. The main reason why I like it is because it's small, it's compact, it's stylish, and mainly because I've never actually had a keyboard that's so cool. I would actually, now think, I'd probably pay £50 for it. I originally paid £30 for it on eBay. It was being sold under as refurbished and used, but as you've seen from previous, that this actually came brand new, more or less. The only thing that was missing was batteries. So all in all, I would be willing to pay £50 for it, just because it's so cool, easy to set up, and it's just fantastic. It's a great looking. It's compared to what Logitech and Microsoft offer. They've got like £100 keyboard, but I wasn't so keen on them because A, they look ugly, and B, because they're for gamers and I'm not so much of a gamer. But this is really cool, the packaging and stuff is really simple, taking it out, setting it up. Instructions I feel could have been, a bit more straightforward, because I spent about 10-15 minutes trying to set up. It did say in the instructions that, you've got to pair it up, but they weren't in specific in saying what functions you had to put on. because I keep my Bluetooth off because it drains the battery of my MacBook. So I always have it off, I never really use it. So I was trying to find out what they actually mean by pairing, and just by chance I clicked on Bluetooth, and from there on I managed to get it set up. Batteries, it takes 3 batteries. Again, I don't know how long these last. I hope one of you can answer and tell me how long these last, batteries, because I don't want to be changing them every week or something, because I'm a heavy user and my MacBook's on pretty much 10 to 15 hours a day, and then I keep it off it overnight. So I'm a heavy user, so if someone can tell me how long these batteries last. That's about it. I've got quite a lot coming up. I know some people are waiting for the review for the Dell Moth. I'm really sorry, it's just I just can't get time to make time for the video, because I want to take it all apart, the wires and stuff, and do a proper review on the monitor, as opposed to just giving you a quick review and here it is. So I'm going to spend time on the review, give it a few more hours, and then sort out a proper review. I promise it will be coming up, so don't get your hopes down. If you've got any questions, just comment, or send me an email, rate and subscribe, and I've got a few exciting things coming up, so keep a watch out for that. Thanks for watching, thanks.